Here are the two schools for tonight's show. Number 18 seed, the Mannings School from Westmoreland, up against the number 47 seed, Manley High from St. Andrew. This is the 50th anniversary season of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. The Mannings School is represented by Romario Clark, Kwame Bennett, Kalicia Vassell, and Captain Jafar Thompson. Manley High is represented by Jermaine Miller, Captain Joshua Wallen, Jaheim Jackson, and Darnell Green. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello everyone. Welcome to the 19th match in round one of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm your host, Marlene Stevenson-Daly. The judges are Ave McIntosh for the sciences and Theresa Easy for the arts. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge. But do they have the skill, the knowledge, the temperament to move to the next round? This is the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss and the Mannings School won. They decided to go first. And so we begin with the Mannings School. Now this section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's get that time on the clock. Mannings, history. Who signed the 1734 peace treaty with the British on behalf of the Leeward Maroons?
Kojo.
Correct. Norman Manley, history. Who signed the 1740 peace treaty with the Windward Maroons on behalf of the British?
Nani.
Incorrect. Colonel Robert Bennett. International affairs, a visual one for Mannings. Look at the monitor, identify this person.
James Mattis.
Incorrect. Klaus Johannes, President of Romania. International affairs for Norman Manley. Look at the monitor, identify this person.
Philip of Belgium.
Philip of Belgium.
Incorrect. Antonio Costa, PM of Portugal. Physics for Mannings. What is the name for the resistance of any physical object to any change in its velocity?
Inertia.
Correct. Physics, Norman Manley. What is the name given to that point in a body where all of its weight acts?
Center of gravity.
Correct. Music for Mannings. Listen to this clip. Give the title of the song.
When Jesus says yes. When Jesus says yes.
Incorrect. Say yes. Music, Norman Manley. Listen to this clip. Identify the singer.
You are here, moving in a mist.
Marcel Griffiths.
Incorrect. Sinach. And Spanish for Mannings. Give the English equivalent to this statement. Le di el libro a mi hermano menor.
He gave the book to my eldest brother.
No, I gave the book to my younger brother. Spanish for Norman Manley. Give the English equivalent to the statement. Mi tío compró un carro nuevo y me lo dio.
Today's 9th of July.
No, my uncle bought a new car and gave it to me. Theatre and cinema for Mannings. Look at the monitor, identify this person.
George Clooney.
Correct. Theatre and cinema, Norman Manley. Look at the monitor, identify this person.
Carlton Hines.
Incorrect. Brad Pitt. And Mannings, literature. From which Shakespearean play is the line, I would give all my fame for a pot of ale and safety?
Hamlet.
Incorrect. Henry V. Literature, Norman Manley. From which Shakespearean play is the line, Lord, what fools these mortals be?
Richard III.
Incorrect. A Midsummer Night's Dream. Jamaican Heritage, Mannings. Complete the Jamaican proverb. No mino teacher crass.
School bound figure recess. School bound figure recess.
Yes. And Jamaican Heritage for Norman Manley. Complete the Jamaican proverb. What drop off a head?
Drop on shoulder.
Correct. Sports for Mannings. Look at the monitor, identify this person.
Gianluigi Buffon.
Correct. Sports for Norman Manley. Look at the monitor, identify this person.
Eden Hazard.
Correct. And French for Mannings. Translate to English. Les fleurs sont belles.
The flowers are pretty.
Yes. And French for Norman Manley. Translate to English. C'est ensoleillé.
We bought flowers yesterday.
Incorrect. It is sunny. And that's the bell. That's the end of the opening challenge, and the scores are Manning School on 6 points, Norman Manley High on 3 points. It's now time for the Digicel Viewers Question. Our Viewers Question comes from the category International Affairs. The question is, who was the President of the United States from 1980 to 1988? Answers will be accepted only by text messaging. Send your text message to 876-422-QUIZ. That's 876-422-7849. The first 5 persons who answer correctly will receive a prize of a credit to their Digicel account. When we come back, it'll be time for the Speed Challenge. Schools Challenge Quiz 50 returns right after these messages.